You are enjoy watching I Love My Body TV, health and beauty tips for all. Hi friends, how are you? I pray to God for you to be healthy. This is your favorite channel, the channel that gives you useful health and beauty tips. Okay, watch this video about how to get glowing skin naturally at home. Tips number 4. According to the popular saying, beauty is skin deep, a healthy and glowing skin reflects the beauty and persona of an individual that produces a long-lasting impression in the first appearance. It is a well-known fact that a healthy body can only produce a healthy and glowing skin, so the skincare regime should not be restricted only to the external applications of body lotions and moisturizers but should also include some internal care as well. Women in general are more conscious in taking proper care of the skin, as a blemished and tanned skin is enough in devaluing the overall appearance. Home remedies. The market continues to lure everybody with a countless display of skincare products. Which are more attractive than being more effective. The efficacy of the home remedies has been proved since ages in taking due care of the skin. 1. Applying a mashed banana mixed with milk on the face helps in enhancing the glow of the skin. It should be kept for 15 minutes, finally washing it off with water. 2. Application of honey on the face and the neck makes the skin soft, supple and smooth. 3. A mixture of egg white and honey used as a face pack also produces useful results. 4. Washing the face with water of boiled cabbage helps in enhancing the softness of the skin. 5. Papaya is very useful for the skin. Application of a pack of papaya and fuller's earth makes the skin soft and glowing. 6. Application of a paste of fenugreek leaves on the face removes all the blackheads and white heads from the face and prevents wrinkles. 7. Occasional application of sandalwood oil on the face and body removes all scars and tans and add to the softness of the skin. 8. Application of turmeric is beneficial for the skin. Scrubbing the face and neck with a paste of 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and orange juice keeps the skin smooth and glowing. 9. Scrubbing the body with a mixture of lime juice and a cup of sugar maintains the softness of the skin. Scrubbing helps in the removal of dead cell layers and brings out the natural glow of the skin. 10. Scrubbing the face with a mixture of walnut powder, lemon juice and honey is beneficial for the skin. The pack should be kept for 20 minutes and washed off with water. 11. Similarly, scrubbing the hands with a mixture of 3 teaspoons of baby oil and 2 teaspoons of sugar for 15 minutes and washing it with cold water keeps the skin soft and supple forever. The skin has to be well protected. The acne problem can make the skin completely damaged. It becomes important to take care of the sensitive skin. The harsh chemicals found in the products are harmful for the skin. The acne problem can cause acne marks that look ugly. The expensive products further damage the skin by making it dry. There needs to be a proper beauty regime to take care of the skin. The home remedies are easy and do-it-yourself technique to make the skin look healthy. Steam is the perfect remedy to make the skin pure. It removes all impurities. It enhances the appearance by opening up the pores. It removes the impurities and keeps the skin healthy. 1. Pot of boiling water should be kept still for some time. The face should be placed above the bowl and towel should be draped on the head to trap the steam. This technique should be repeated once a day to make the skin healthy. It should be followed with honey massage on the face to make the skin healthy and tighten the pores. The mixture of garlic is one of the beneficial home remedies for damaged skin. Garlic is natural remedy for acne. It has antibacterial properties. It helps to heal severe breakouts and it prevents the skin from future breakouts. Garlic juice is the best treatment for acne. Garlic paste can be applied by diluting it with water. It should be applied with cotton ball on the affected areas. It has strong antibacterial properties to eliminate the bacteria that cause acne. It helps to keep acne in check. It is also useful to eliminate acne marks. The paste should be applied for 5 minutes and washed off. It is very powerful, so it should be kept not more than 10 minutes. Mint extract is one of the simple home remedies for skin damage. It repairs the damage caused to the skin by pollution and hormonal imbalance. It has antibacterial properties and acts as natural painkiller. It eliminates acne and redness on the skin. It is also useful to ease the swelling. Mint should be washed properly in water and it can be soaked in water. This water should be used to wash the face. Mint can also be crushed and ground to form a paste. The paste should be applied to the face to make it look perfectly radiant. The paste can be added with 1 tablespoon of honey for excellent results. The paste can be washed off in 10 minutes. Most of people tend to believe that pimples and acne are for teenagers only. But nowadays, there are not only youth but adults are also facing acne and other skin-related problems. Acne occurs due to the action of hormones and other substances on the skin. Stress, aging, hormonal imbalance, improper lifestyle habits, unhealthy diet, etc. are some of the main causes of pimple and acne. If pimple and acne are left untreated, these may become painful and can cause other serious skin care problems. In market, there is wide range of synthetic cosmetic products available. However, natural and herbal remedies are always the best for skin care. Herbal remedies possess natural properties which make them more sufficient and effective to treat acne and pimple problems for natural glowing skin. These remedies provide long-lasting results and give permanent solution of skin problems. Let's see some among the best herbal remedies. Cucumber is wonderful remedy to get natural glowing skin. It includes hydrating, nourishing and astringent properties which can deal with acne and pimple. Cut a fresh cucumber into thick slices and rub them thoroughly all over face. Leave it for the night and rinse with warm water in the morning. For effective results, do this daily before going to bed. It can improve the overall appearance of skin by repairing damaged skin cells, removing dead skin cells and adding a fresh glow. One can also use papaya to improve skin's texture and maintain clear skin. These remedies have natural exfoliation properties that are helpful to reduce blemishes and dark spots on the skin. It has healing abilities and also effective for removing dead, damaged skin. Rub the fleshy part of ripe papaya on face. Wash it off with cold water when it is dried. Do this 3 or 4 times a week to gain natural glow. Herbal remedies like Golden Glow capsules are also effective to get glowing skin without acne and pimple. These herbal remedies are effective to improve functions of body from inside and enhance skin's health. Its anti-inflammation properties adequately block the growth of acne and pimples and lighten the dark circle spots from the face. These remedies also restrain aging, wrinkle and blemish. It can keep away from bad effects on health of the skin and work efficiently to get glowing skin. Golden Glow capsule possess natural and plant-based herbs which are effectively got in use from ancient time to nourish and enhance health of the skin. This herbal formulation contains neem, tulsi, haritaki, manjishta, haldi and mulethi, etc. Almost all the herbs used for the preparation of these herbal remedies are checked and verified with consultant department. One can directly intake Golden Glow capsule 3 times in a day with milk or water. To get permanent and satisfied results, consume this herbal solution consistently for 3 or 4 months. Along with these efforts, one should follow healthy lifestyle with good diet and regular exercise. One can also make use of natural cures like aloe vera and lemon juice to alleviate skin health-related troubles. Serious skin care is about maintaining a healthy and glowing skin all through your life. As you grow older, your body's natural skin care mechanisms become weaker. So, serious skin care is about responding to the changing needs of your skin. Thus, serious skin care is about constantly evaluating, analyzing and changing your skin care routines. Your skin care routine should change based on the environmental conditions, your age and changes in your skin type. Serious skin care is also about awareness. With the technological advancements and research, more and more facts are being brought to light every day. Also, the composition and nature of skin care products seems to be changing with time, so trying out the new products is also a part of serious skin care. However, serious skin care advises using a new product over a small patch of skin, not facial skin, first, just to see how your skin reacts to it. Serious skin care also means knowing how to use your skin care products. Good practices include things like applying the moisturizers while the skin is damp, using upward strokes for better penetration of skin care products, removing the makeup before going to bed, cleansing before moisturizing or applying makeup, using the correct amount of skin care products, etc. Thus, increasing the effectiveness of your skin care products is another focus area of serious skin care. Some precautions, like avoiding contact with detergents, are also part of serious skin care. Serious skin care means being gentle with your skin. Things like over-exfoliation, use of low-quality products, and application of strong chemical-based products are all harmful to your skin. Some people have a wrong notion about serious skin care. For them, serious skin care is using large quantities of products as often as possible. However, his really isn't serious skincare, and that's why awareness is so important. Serious skincare is also about visiting your dermatologist for treatment of skin disorders. Ignoring the skin disorder can be fatal for your skin and might lead to permanent damage. So, if the things don't improve with over-the-counter medication, you should immediately visit a dermatologist. Self-surgery, e.g. squeezing of acne, pimples is a big no. It can lead to permanent damage of your skin. So, seriously, serious skin care is more about precautions and preventive measures than treatment. Serious skin care is about being proactive as well as reactive. In fact, we can say that serious skin care is about being proactive about the needs of your skin so that the need for being reactive is reduced to a minimum. Different people have different skin types. Some have oily and some have dry skin. There are people who feel like they have both oily and dry skin. Mostly women are concerned about their skin tone and try a lot to keep their skin tone acne-free and flawless. While cosmetic products may help to some extent, but to get complete skin care you need more than that to get a healthy skin. Mostly people with oily skin suffer from acne problem, but this does not mean that people with dry skin and normal skin do not face any problem. Environment, pollution and changing weather affects badly irrespective of the skin type. Skin cells are damaged when exposed to direct sunlight and heat. This causes tanning, and long-term exposure to UV rays leads to cancer. Instead of trying different chemical products, use herbal products which are made from natural ingredients to internally to get improved skin health from inside. Healthy skin not just reflects beautiful face but also protects from infections. Herbal remedies for clear skin includes cleaning of whole body systems. Glycine capsules are such herbal capsules which perform blood purification and enhance functions of liver and kidneys which help in achieving clear acne-free skin. The herbs present in these capsules filter toxins from blood and regulate purified blood to skin cells. Proper blood circulation activates skin cells and induces refreshed feeling. These skin cells then make sebum which keeps skin moisturized. Activated cells maintain sebum level even after washing face multiple times and prevent dryness. Maintained sebum level also prevents oiliness which occurs due to extra production of this fluid. Thus, glycine capsules reduce chances of acne on oily skin and scaling on dry skin. Blood circulation helps in regenerating new cells which replace and shed dead cells. Whatever is the underlying reason, whether it's poor diet, smoking or cosmetics, glycine capsules prevent impurities from blood and improve skin tone. Herbal remedies for clear skin also helps in recovering from scar marks which are left by injuries or cuts. By shedding layers of dead cells and generating new cells, Glycine Plus capsules slowly vanishes dark spots and scar marks which consist of multiple layers of dead cells. These capsules also protect skin from harmful radiations to avoid chances of skin cancer. Antibacterial action of these herbal capsules prevents fungal infections and viral attacks. These capsules helps in healing wounds and cuts relatively faster and also prevents itching feeling which irritates when wounds heal. Glycine Plus capsules keep skin healthy which have better immunity power to fight against germs and bacteria. This keeps skin pores safe from bacteria attack and prevents formation of acne. This capsules is suitable for both men and women and can be used for prolonged time. As these capsules purify blood and improve circulation, these capsules only gives positive results without any side effects or disorders. Drinking lots of water keeps skin hydrated which helps accepting effects of Glycine Plus capsules easily. Okay friends, like this video, share your friends, tell your comments the comment box. Click on the subscribe button below to see new videos. Also press the bell button. Read description for more information. Thanks for watching.